Alright, so let's look at question 2a of constructions exercise C. Construct triangle ABC with AB 45 millimeters, BC 55 millimeters, and angle B 30 degrees. So we start off with either AB or BC. I always go or tend to go with the side that's the longest in length given to me. So that would be BC, which is 55 millimeters. So I'm just going to the middle here, towards the middle, and that gives me 55 millimeters, which is 5.5 centimeters. So this is BC. So BC. And then I have been given, before I can construct the line AB, I first need the 30-degree angle at angle B. So I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to construct a 30-degree angle. And we start off by doing our 60-degree construction. Okay. And that then is 60 degrees. Now what I usually do is I make my ruler go through that point from B, and I make a light pencil line at that point. So I know where to start bisecting, because we've got to bisect the 60-degree angle from this point and that point now. So bisecting would require you to open your compass to more than halfway of this measurement up to the other point, and we make an arc in the middle. And then we go to the other point that we have just indicated over here, and then we make another arc through there, and there is your 30-degree angle that goes through that point. So from B through that point is 30 degrees. And we do know what the measurement of BA is, or AB as they mentioned, and that is 45 millimeters. So usually we just go ahead and we make a light construction line regardless of the measurement, and then we go ahead and indicate 45 goes up to there. So from there we make our proper line for the angle triangle, and then that's A. And then we close the triangle by joining A to C. And there's our triangle ABC. So let's just write in the details here. They told us that this was 55 millimeters. AB was 45 millimeters. And then this was a 30-degree angle. Now question B says measure the other sides and angles and classify the triangle. So if I measure this, the protractor is here, sorry people. So if I go ahead and measure this angle, I would have to turn the protractor and make sure the midpoint of the protractor meets at A. And I see from 0 it goes all the way past 90 degrees, and I'm going to have to extend the line actually. But another trick is to take your ruler and place it onto that line that you've got, and then you can properly read there that it is 93 degrees. Great. So angle A, this is question B, angle A is 93 degrees. Angle B, we already know is 30 degrees. And then angle C is 50. And once again, I'm going to take my ruler. I'm going to read that measurement off here by placing my ruler onto the line, and it gives me 53 degrees. 52 it's supposed to be 52 degrees. So sometimes an error of parallax happens because it's 57. Sorry, it's 57, not 52. I realize now. Excuse me. Okay, so there we go. And what type of triangle is this then? Well, my thing is, I'm supposing that it is an acute angled triangle. Okay, so it's an acute angled and according to its sides, you would call it a scalene triangle. So acute angled scalene triangle. Okay, question C. Complete the parallelogram ABCD and then what defines a parallelogram? So just to recap on what defines parallelograms, and that is that opposite sides are equal in length but also parallel to one another. So we're going to use this in such a manner. So since we know that the opposite sides are equal, we're going to create just that. I'm going to place my compass point here and take the measurement basically by opening it up to that measurement. And then I'm going to go to the opposite side and I'm going to create that measurement. But I don't know exactly where it's going to end up. So I make an arc. Then I take my measurement on side BC, the longest side of your parallelogram. Opposite side's going to be equal, so we're going to create that measurement here. And that means we just join A to D and B to D over here. And that gives you your parallelogram ABCD. And there you have it, ABCD parallelogram measurement. This is equal to this, and then this is equal to this. This is parallel to this side, and this side AC is parallel to DB. Okay.